Welcome to another unboxing. We have one Futurama good news, everyone.
Good news, everyone!
Yes, I just said that. Box by Kidrobot to open. This is an older series, which is the fourth for Futurama by Kidrobot. They were expected to release in 2018. Yeah, that old. But were heavily delayed. They are still available.
We'll make it, or die trying.
There are 16 in this series to collect, with 10 2 and 24s, 2 1 and 24s, 2 1 and 48s, and 2 unknown ratio. This one, and this one.
Oh, this is sneaky. I feel a jowl movement coming on.
On to only box. It's Leela.
Well, settle in. Without a microwave, we're trapped in this time period.
Oh, Lord. We'll have to endure the horrible music of the Big Bopper and then the terrible tragedy of his death.
A 1 in 48. A pleasant surprise, especially considering this is a very 2 and 24 ratio heavy series. This Leela is from the episode Roswell That Ends Well and comes with glasses as an accessory. The sculpt is the usual slightly squat, unflattering body shape as seen in the previous 3 series, but the paint job is good and the characters easily identified for those that aren't blink and you miss them. If you're a Futurama fan, you may already have some of these, but with the recent announcement Futurama is returning in 2023 after ending way back in 2013, perhaps we'll see a 5th series from Kidrobot next year. But for now, that's our unboxing.
This is quite a shock! On the other hand, it's not surprising in the least.
Good news, everyone!